Everybody, and welcome to Winterthur. My name is Collin Hadsell, and this is Bloom Report. Today we're going to talk about sticks. We're going to talk about snowdrops, winter aconite, snowflakes, Adonis, everything that is blooming in the March bank and around the garden in February. It is an awesome time here, very special. And right now we're closed to the public, so only members have access to the garden and you guys through these videos. So stay tuned and we'll see what we can see. I'm hiding behind a tree to block the sunlight. Those of you may be wondering, wasn't he wearing a different outfit in the previous shot, the beginning shot? You'd be correct. This is a different day. I have traveled into the future to bring you this little clip of the video. I film these videos throughout the month to get the full scope of what's going on in the garden. And so that's why sometimes I look different. And now that we're rolling, I want to express an important distinction pertaining to this time of the year. This is a snowdrop, Galanthus owasii. This is a snowflake, Leucojum vernum. Snowdrop, snowflake. Very similar plants, very easy to mix these up, but there is a distinction. They look very different when you really look at them. That's very important. On top of admiring all of the snow and the snowdrops and the snowflakes, another part of our jobs this time of the year is keeping the garden tidy, and that means picking up sticks. I don't mean just a few sticks, I mean a lot of sticks. 700,000 sticks later. And when we're not picking up sticks and when we're not shoveling snow, we are trying as hard as we can to admire the blooms that we have and think about spring and all that is to come. Once you've had your fill of the Tommies up on the East Terrace, I don't know if that's possible or not, but once you feel like leaving the East Terrace, you can head out to the March Bank. You can see some double snowdrops. You can see this cool Scilla Mashenkowana. You can see all sorts of things, whether it is a sunny, warm day, or if perhaps you are lucky enough to get out here when it is snowing. And it has snowed a good bit this year, more so than we've had in the past. And it is lovely to see these flowers, these snowflakes and such in the snow. I'd like to say that I keep track of how many sticks I pick up in a year, but I'd like to keep that a mystery, you know. Some things in life should remain a mystery, like the amount of sticks that I've picked up as a gardener. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching!